Welcome to the unboxing and assembling video of the rear carrier for the cargo cruiser and beach cruiser as well. Before we start, put your cargo cruiser in parking mode. Hi there! Oh, I guess you didn't hear me. Oh well, let's start by unboxing the rear carrier and its fixing parts. Use a box cutter to cut the tape and open the top of the box. Gently pull out the rear carrier and the little sachet out of the box. Please, recycle the packing material. These are all the tools needed to proceed: a box cutter, a 10mm wrench, and an M6 and M5 Allen key. Grab the M5 Allen key and loosen the bolt of the lower rear fender stay on the right and left side of the cargo cruiser. Next, pick up the M6 Allen key and loosen the bolts of the ring lock on the right and on the left side. Gently lower the ring lock to avoid scratches on the frame. Add the 10mm wrench and loosen the upper bolt and nut with its washers. Make sure that you remove the rubber between the rear fender and the frame. Now, put back the bolt with the washer through the frame and the little fender loop. Start mounting the rear carrier by connecting it to the upper bolt first. Fasten it with a nut and a washer loosely by hand. Do not tighten it yet. Next, use the M5 Allen key to fasten the right and left bolt of the rear carrier firmly. Make sure the carrier's rods are on top of the fender stays. Now, grab the 10mm wrench and M6 Allen key again to firmly tighten the upper bolt, nut, and its washers. As a final step, remount the ring lock back in place with the M6 Allen key. And that's it! Congratulations on your new Johnny Loco rear carrier, for many miles of fun and comfort to come. Thanks for watching. See you next time!